Today, we'll be tackling a common concern, which is dark cycle. This actually affects many people. It affects a lot of people, especially people that are beginning to advance in age, people that are approaching 30s or in their 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and so forth. This is usually a common problem and usually a cause for concern. Now, it is important to note that these dark cycles can easily be cleared by making use of some products that contains melanin inhibiting ingredients like your kojic acid, your alpha butene, your sepi white. In this video, we are not just going to look at the root cause of dark cycles. We are also going to discuss how you can fix it and also how to beat it farewell permanently, and also some temporary measures that you can take to get rid of your dark cycles in case you need the temporary measures as well. First of all, you want to understand the root cause of that dark cycle. Dark cycles can be a real confidence buster, okay? It is very, very crucial to understand their root causes before diving into the solutions, okay? One common culprit is genetics, yes. Do you remember your mom or your dad having dark cycles? They've always had dark cycles. Yes, that is the part that genetics play. It is passed down from generations to generations, okay? But there are other factors that also play a part too, okay? Which could be lack of sleep, stress, dehydration, and also allergies can contribute to these frustrating dark cycles. Let's take a look at some of the temporary measures that can be used to get rid of dark cycles. So number one is the use of concealers. So concealers can actually hide these dark cycles away from people for some time until the makeup is off your face. So while you are still on makeup, using concealers can actually reduce or hide these dark cycles. And also making use of eye creams can also help get rid of dark cycles, and then creams that contains melanin inhibiting ingredients like kojic acid, the sepi white alpha butene. This also helps to reduce the darkness or the dark areas around the eyes. And then coming down to your home remedies, you can even make use of cucumber slice or your potato slice, put it up on your eye, and it's going to help get rid of it, but it's just temporary and you have to continue doing it for you to continue getting results. While these ones can just help you temporarily, like I have said, they do not address the root cause. The reasons these remedies fall short is that they do not tackle the underlying issues of the dark cycles, and they are putting a band-aid on a wound without cleaning it first. Okay, so dark cycles are often a sign of something happening beneath the surface, and that's what we need to address for a long-lasting solution. So now let's talk about how to fix the root cause of these dark cycles and how to beat them farewell forever. Number one is to stay hydrated. First and foremost, staying hydrated. Dehydration can cause blood vessels under your eyes to dilate, so which leads to dark cycles. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Take your water seriously. Always have water by your side. Take a sip on it. Get even bigger bottles than this. If you are someone that have difficulty in drinking water, get those motivational bottles that is going to help you drink up more water. Stay hydrated. It is very good for your eyes and helping you address the cause of these dark cycles. Number two is to prioritize your sleep. When you are not taking enough sleep, you are not sleeping adequately, it can also have a toll on your eye. You will see it around your eyes. First of all, you have those eye bags, and then you have the dark areas around your eyes developing. So try to get as much as 7 to 9 hours of sleep every single day. Sleep well. If you know you have difficulty sleeping, you might want to take banana tea, or you take supplement. There are some supplements that can help you sleep deeply and be well rested. So I'm going to leave the link in the description. So do ensure to open up the description to see the supplement and that you can use, okay, to help you sleep well. When you are well rested, your eyes will thank you for it. Number 3 is to manage your stress levels. To manage your stress levels, the technique that you can use is meditation. Meditation or yoga can greatly bring down your stress hormone, which is cortisol. The stress hormone is produced whenever you are stressed. So when you meditate or you do yoga, it's going to help bring down that stress level. And when you are stressed, one of the first places to notice stress in anybody is around the eyes. So when you are constantly being stressed every day, every week, every months, years, you are stressed, you are working yourself out, you are stressed, and you're not doing anything to control that stress and manage your stress properly, then it is going to tell, okay? It's going to tell on your eye, and it's also going to lead to that dark cycle remaining there and not going away even when you are trying so much to get rid of it. The next one is allergy management. So if allergies are the culprit, work with a healthcare professional, okay? You don't want to do this yourself at home. Get to meet a healthcare professional to help identify the allergy and also find effective treatment for you. The next one is professional treatment, okay? For those of you that are seeking for quicker results, okay, you can actually opt for professional treatment like laser therapy and also chemical pills. Do not do this at home. It has to be done professionally, or you even make use of dermal fillers. This can also help you. So consult a dermatologist to actually help you explore the options that you have available for you, and then you can go ahead and choose the option that works best for you. And then I want to leave you with this one: consistency is key. When addressing any problem, you want to be consistent with it. You don't want to do it today and then the next time you are not doing it again. So you have to consistently manage your stress levels. You have to consistently stay hydrated. You have to consistently maintain a balanced diet, okay? All this is going to help you maintain and actually fight and get rid of the root cause of dark cycles that might be affecting you. And in conclusion, dark cycles can be a lifelong struggle, okay? By identifying what is actually causing your dark cycles, addressing the root causes with lifestyle changes and professional guidance, you can say goodbye to those shadows under your eyes for good, okay? I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, share it with your community, because you do not know who you might be helping by doing this. And also do not forget to leave your thoughts down in the comment section. I love to read from you. And also don't forget to hit on that subscribe button on your way out. Turn on that bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I drop another video like this. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.